Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bank of America with Splitwise. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your Bank of America account to fund your Splitwise transactions. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Splitwise. Then click on your profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on Add a Funding Source. Then from here, click on Bank Account. Next on this page here, it's going to redirect you to Plaid. Go ahead and click on Continue. Then click on Continue again. Then go ahead and click on Bank of America. Now it's going to prompt you to log into your Bank of America account so that you can select which accounts you want to connect to Splitwise. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Bank of America account to Splitwise. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.